This is a strange attractor. I am dealing with art, science and chaos theory. What you just saw was a title picture of the Fractal Art Calendar 2023. It's available in the Etsy shop, and use the coupon code I love chaos to get a 10% rebate. Don't miss on it when you want to see amazing images like this one by users Ridiculous. It is called Cave with a View. It is made using Fragmentarium, and similar to last year's calendar, the diversity of fractal art, we try to have varieties of all the kinds you can do fractal art with, and Fragmentarium is one of the ways you can code your formulas and render engine and have sliders to play around with it. And yeah, this image has been done with it. Next issue we will cover the February image by Julius Horsthuis. Get your calendar now.